Have you noticed a quiet revolution happening behind the scenes? While we talk about AI, billionaires are secretly pouring millions into Python research to secure the future of finance. We often think only tech giants drive innovation, but former Goldman Sachs engineers reveal that hedge funds are aggressively hunting for Python coders because it acts as the vital bridge between complex research and modern technology. As of February 22, industry leaders confirm that Python has effectively replaced older languages like R, Java, and C++ in investment processes, driven by its dominance in machine learning and statistical analysis. This isn't just about coding anymore. It's a strategic move where billionaires invest in R&D for clean energy, for clean energy, for clean energy, for clean energy, for clean energy. Data science. Using Python to solve problems that traditional methods simply cannot handle efficiently. The demand is so high that Python experts are now the most sought-after candidates in the financial sector, with libraries like Pandas becoming essential tools for analyzing massive datasets faster than ever before. Interestingly, while Python remains free and open, with zero acquisitions by the core team, its ecosystem is being fueled by billions in private investment from wealthy individuals betting on its growth. So, the secret weapon isn't magic, it's Python. By mastering this language, you are stepping directly into the high-stakes arena where the world's wealthiest people are shaping the next decade of economic power. The battle for financial dominance is shifting to your screen. Are you ready to learn the language that billionaires are secretly funding? Let me know in the comments what skills you want to master next.